Hi, I'm Liz, and I just want to show you very quickly how to register for a group course. So the easiest way to do it is if you go to the course level, which is in this case a complete beginner's course, the A1 Basics course. As you can see in the URL, it says A1 Basics. And then you scroll down and you select your preferred timing. So there's a few that are sold out, but we still have a spot left on the Wednesday at 7 to 8 p.m., starting on September 5th, taking place for 8 weeks. So you click on this and select your time. It was the September 5th, 7 to 8 slot. And then you click on register and you go from there. Now, if this was not the level you wanted, you can scroll all the way back up, click on online Skype classes, and then select your level. Maybe you're not a complete beginner, but you've got a little bit of basics down already. You have read the Learn Luxembourgish book, then you can go for the A1 Conversation, for example. And it's the same thing. You click on it, scroll down. Whoop, where is it? Here. You select your timing, and then click on register. Okay, I hope that explains it a little bit, but if you have any more questions, just drop me an email. Bye bye.